Dmitri Mendeleev was born on February 8, 1834 to Ivan and Maria Mendeleev. He was born and raised in Siberia. He was the youngest of 17 brothers and sisters. In his early life, he demonstrated great interest in science, so at the age of 16, he and his mother walked for 2 days to Moscow just so he could apply to the university there. When he did not get into this college, he walked all the way to St. Petersburg just so he could apply there. He got in on a full scholarship. That same year, his mother died. Dmitri took it very hard because he was very close to his mother, but decided to go to college and do what she wanted him to. He went on to graduate from St. Petersburg after majoring in chemistry in 1856. In his years at college, he published his first work called Chemical Analysis of a Sample from Finland. After graduating, he set up his own lab in Heidelberg. But after studying abroad, he went back to St. Peter's, where he became a professor of chemistry and published one of his most famous works called Organic Chemistry when he was only 27. The book won the Dmitri Prize, which is a Russian science prize. This helped to put Mendeleev on the scientific map. While teaching, he was awarded the title of Doctor of Science after publishing a dissertation on the combinations of water and alcohol. Soon after becoming a professor, Dmitri married Vyazova Lachcheva after being pressured into the marriage by his older sister Olga. The couple had 2 kids together, a boy named Volodya and a daughter named Olga after his older sister. Even though they had children, both were unhappy with the marriage. Vyazova even said, "Are you married to me or science?" When she said that she was talking to Dmitri because she was upset that he worked more than he spent time with her. Then in January 1882, Dmitri divorced Vyazova to marry Anna Popova, the best friend of his niece. The two had a very large age difference, but they loved each other anyway and had 4 children together, a set of twins and 1 boy and 1 girl. Even though of their age difference, they were together until Mendeleev died. Over his lifetime, Mendeleev published over 250 publications, including his famous work, The Periodic Table of Elements. Dmitri died in 1907 while listening to Jules Verne's reading of The Journey to the North Pole.
In the late 1860s, Dmitri Mendeleev created the first periodic table. He said that the elements show a periodicity of properties. The periodic table was created in rows and columns. Each element in a row had different chemical properties, such as oxygen and sodium. They are in the same row, but their properties are completely different. Oxygen is a gas, and sodium is a metal. A row in the table is called a period, and a column in the table is called a group, or a family. In his periodic table, he only had 63 elements because those were the only elements he knew at that time. These elements were organized by the atomic weight until a British physicist named Henry Moseley suggested arranging the table by their atomic number, or the amount of electrons that the atom carried, which Henry Moseley was capable of measuring using an X-ray. The table now reflects the amount of electrons in each element. He left open spaces in some areas of the periodic table because he knew that people in the future were going to find new elements put in those empty spaces.
Punn.